Hi, I'm David, and this is Mystery Gift. I have no idea what is in this, but it was sent to me by Vincent. I think there is a letter on the front. I can't show you because there's an address on here, but I'm just going to as quickly as I can. I don't know if this is just a label or it's actually a letter, so I need to extract it, if you will. It's got all his details. Oh, it is a letter. It's an envelope. I got trolled. It's an envelope with nothing in it. Alright, well, get that off there anyway. There we go. Now, I think it's got a contents list on this, but I didn't look at it, so I don't actually know what's in here. What do you think it is? Write in the comments what you think that is. I have my suspicions, but I don't know. Honestly, I can't see anything from the side, and we'll go across this here. Is that going to be enough? Are we? We're free. We're free. All right. What have we got? Yo! Look at this. Okay, so there is a photograph of Vincent and his cat with a paw print on it. Thank you very much. That's stuff money can't buy right there. That's dope. I like the cat print. The cat print's my favorite part. That's sick. Vincent contacted me and asked me to send him a manga book, so I did. And yeah, that's sort of how I know Vincent. David, thank you for everything. I absolutely love the channel and content. It is what convinced me to buy my cappuccino. I saved our very last glow-in-the-dark vinyl limited to 100 for you. Also, me and Stella 2. This is Stella 2. Signed a photo. That's Vincent and Stella 2 in the photo there. Signed. Thank you very much. Excellent. Now this is, I've got, there's a Pokemon card here. And it's, I don't really follow Pokemon at all, so I don't really know. This is Britzel, I think. I don't know. Reckless Charge. That sounds pretty accurate. When I, every time I approach a project, it's a reckless charge. So that's great. I've got Belushi Speedball. Vincent's part of a band called Belushi Speedball. Stella 1 and Stella 2. Here it is here. And he said that this saved a very last glow-in-the-dark vinyl. Oh, that's this one. Oh, okay, that's something else. So this is a CD, I think. CD, double CD it looks like. I'm not sure if I can play any of that for you, but check them out, Belushi Speedball. They're on Spotify and YouTube Music and everything. I listen to them all the time. Recommend it. This, what is this? Belushi Speedball and/or Diablo Presents. Belushi Speedball Part 2. The Frank Castle Picnic. Frank Castle is the Punisher, but I'm not sure what this is. It's dope. It's got like a an old price tag on there. That is sick. But I don't. It's a CD. I don't know whether it's done so well. I don't know if it's new or old. I don't know. Okay, so there's a CD on there, and it's sort of taped on. And then this is, oh, this is a straight up comic. This is wild. I have no idea. I'm gonna have to read this. Oh, okay, so it's got X-Men. It's X-Men. You see that? Wolverine's in there. It's an old, looks like it's an old comic that they, unless I read it and it's all twisted up to be Belushi Speedball stuff, but it looks like an old comic and they've put their own cover on it. That's pretty sick. Very, very cool. Very cool. Alright, and last but not least, we have in the box box sleeve. It's like this. So this is a glow-in-the-dark LP. An LP is like a giant CD before CDs were CDs. I don't even know how to handle LPs. It glows in the dark, so I have to take it out of here. Oh, yo! Like as soon as I pulled it out, wow, this is wild. Oh, dude, this is sick. Hang on. Look at the color of this thing. I don't know how to handle them, and I don't have an LP player. I'll just cherish it as it is. But that's sick. I mean, part of me wants to hang it from a string from the roof, just for all the glow-in-the-dark goodness, but it's a limited edition, limited to 100, so I need to be careful with it. I don't know the handling process. That is dope. Does it have a Captain Planet can't stop us? We aren't thrashers, we are hipster posers. Dirty Dan and Pinhead Larry. I'm already halfway there. And on the other side we've got, is that Dan? Oh, I can't read it. Danny Nee, I don't know, is the best drummer alive. Is it Daniel? I can't read it. My eyes are bad. That's the first time I think I've ever said that. Glass bones and paper skin. Shut the snuff up. Mortai. And one ball. Yep, I can't even pronounce that. You've named some cool shit that I can't pronounce. I haven't found a track of theirs online that I didn't like, so definitely check them out. Belushi Speedball. Thank you, Vincent. I wasn't expecting that. You didn't have to do that. Thank you very much. I'd like to use their music in my videos, but I don't know the copyright situation of that, so I haven't as yet. I may in the future, if possible. I'm gonna have to sit down and have a read of this. For Lilandra! I don't know who Lilandra is, but cool. Starjammers Strike. So much reading. The Uncanny X-Men Volume 1, number 275, April 1991. This is pretty rad. The Frank Castle Picnic. More stuff to hoard. Rad, 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 rad. Thanks again, Vinny.